We're going to make a box plot from this test score data. First thing that you have to figure out is what is the 5-number summary from the data. That is the minimum, first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum of the data. Each one of those is going to be one of these observations in the data. We're going to find those on an Excel spreadsheet. Open up Excel, go ahead and type the data in a column, and then label your cells. It doesn't matter which cell, just label them. Minimum, quartile 1, median, quartile 3, and maximum. Okay, go ahead and pick the cell next to min. Go up to your function bar. It's going to ask you which function. You're going to go statistics. You're going to go to min. Click min. Okay. It asks you what do you want the min from. You're going to click and drag all of your data. Click OK. There's your minimum. Now we could have just put those in order and figured that out ourselves. But let's do this for each and every one. So the next one is quartile 1. Same thing. Go to the function bar. Statistical. You're going to do quartile. Starts with a Q. Where are you? There you are. Same thing. Quartile of what? Click and drag your data. And it asks you which quartile. You're going to pick the first one. Click OK. Median. Same thing. Quartile 3, same thing. This time we want the third quartile. And then the last one is the maximum. And again, we could have just put those in order, but we're going to use Excel. Okay. So now we have our 5-number summary. Let's get back to drawing the box plot with this data. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and draw 2 axes. Now a box plot can either go vertically up and down or horizontally left and right. Our example, we're going to do the up and down one. Second step is label your vertical axes. We're going to go ahead and start with the minimum of less than 55. That's going to be the bottom line. The top line is going to be greater than 99. Let's add those in. Now you just start drawing horizontal lines to represent each number in the 5-number summary. Let's go ahead and put some of those in. Okay, there's 55, right? If it went over here, it would be 55. The next one is going to be 75. That would be right about there. The next one's going to be 81. It's going to be right about there, a little bit lower. Next one's going to be 82. You notice that those two are real close together. What that means is 25% of the data is either between 81 and 82. So that's tells you a lot. And the last one is going to be 99. Take it all the way up. Almost done. Last step is drawing your vertical lines, connecting the maximum to the third quartile. And then from the minimum to the first quartile. And then you box in your third and first quartile. That's why they call it a box. That's it. That's your box plot. You'll notice that 50% of the data falls between the third quartile and the first quartile. MGZ out.